Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace an alternator on an Acura MDX. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable to prevent electrical shorts. Next, you will need to relieve the tension on the serpentine belt using a wrench on the tensioner pulley, then carefully remove the belt from the alternator. Finally, disconnect all electrical connections attached to the alternator. With the electrical connections and belt removed, your next step is to unbolt any brackets or components that might be blocking access to the alternator. There are typically 2 or 3 main mounting bolts holding the alternator to the engine block. Carefully remove these bolts. Once all fasteners are loose, you can gently maneuver and remove the old alternator from the engine bay. It might be a tight fit, so take your time. Now, carefully position your new alternator into the engine bay, aligning it with the mounting points. Insert and tighten the main mounting bolts, ensuring they are snug but do not over-tighten. Reconnect all the electrical wiring to the new alternator, making sure each connection is secure. Finally, route the serpentine belt back onto all pulleys, including the alternator, and release the tensioner. After everything is reconnected, reattach the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and observe the dashboard. The battery or charging system warning light should turn off. Use a multimeter to confirm the alternator is producing around 5 to 5 volts. If all looks good, you've successfully replaced your alternator. Don't forget to check the description for a link to a great book about money, plus other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.